Do you suffer with allergies, hay fever, dust, you name it, just like me? Well, if you do, then this might be the solution for you. I'm just going to put it down because it's getting quite heavy. It's by a company called, I think you pronounce Levoit. Might be wrong there. Levoit. Anyway, let me know if I got it wrong. Okay, so we're going to get this unboxed. We're going to give it a good test. Just some information on the side of the box here. It's got smart controls, so you can enjoy full control with the V-Sync app and voice assistant, so basically links with Alexa. Okay, it's got a timer function, so you can run your air purifier for 2, 4 or 8 hours or up to 24 hours in the app. It's got a hospital standard filter, which features a H13 True HEPA filter for highly effective purification. 3 fan speeds to purify your air on low, medium or high fan speeds, and apparently it's quiet as a whisper. Noise levels are as low as 24 decibels and no higher than 45 decibels. Some of the features here: sleep mode, night light, and a check filter indicator to let you know when your filter needs replacing. Seen the film Aliens? That's what this reminds you of, when the egg just opens up. Okay, so in the box you've got the paperwork. Okay, so this actually weighs 3 kilograms, so it's a bit of duty kit. A bit disappointed there's a mark on the side there, to be honest. Considering it's meant to be brand new. Okay, so on top here you've got the quick start guide. So remove the filter from its plastic packaging, plug in your air purifier and turn it on. You can download the app and then connect it to that and so on. Okay, so on the back there you do have some instructions, so if you're struggling to set it up, it tells you on there. Okay, so let's get this bad boy plugged in. Okay, some nice fancy lights there. Okay, so we've got the power button there. Straight away you can hear it working. Nice sort of little breeze coming from it. Okay, so on top there you got the sort of speed lights. So as you go for each speed, you get the 2 dots and the 3 dots. Maximum speed, obviously. Looks like that's a light, so that's your night light. Probably a bit hard to see on the camera right now, but it's obviously the light outside. So you've got your night light. That is your display lock button. This one is display off button. This one's your timer button, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours of control of the app. And that one's sleep mode button. So of course you have that in your bedroom next to you. It just slows right down and goes really quiet. I'm just going to go and download the app to my phone. Okay, so I just downloaded the app. I'm just in the middle of setting it up, but I can't get this to connect to the Wi-Fi and show you all that working at the minute because I'm in the shed and obviously the Wi-Fi is in the house. I've got kids in there, so it'd be bad trying to film in there while trying to do this with the kids in there. It's just no good, you know how it is. Anyway, so let me just tell you something briefly about it before I conclude this video. So it's there for all allergies, dust, pollen, you name it. It's there to help stop having to take tablets and stuff all day long. It's got smart control, so you can access it anywhere. It's got the V-Sync app, so you can choose, so from the app you can choose the fan speed, mode, check the filter life, set schedules, timers, all from the app. Also when you set it to the high speed, it helps cool the room down as well, so obviously in the summer it's going to be really handy on these hot days. So have it on high, help with the allergens, help cool the room. Voice controls, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, so you can use it without having to lift a finger. It's got a 360 design of Vortex Air. Basically, it purifies the room once per hour in a room size 70 meters and 2 times per hour in a room up to 35 meters. Delivers fresh air 360 degrees around you. Suitable for bedroom, living room, smoking room, so any smells kitchen anywhere, any dog smells, smoking smells, kitchen smells, or whatever. Put it on the room for a bit, it'll help filter the air, make the house smell a bit fresher. Like say the speeds, so you've got speed 1, 2 and 3, and the sleep mode, so it gets a bit slower, a bit quieter. You've got the timer, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or up to 24 hours in the air. And of course, to make it last longer, make sure you use the filters that's from this company. What to say? Levoit. I'm not sure that's right, but that's what it looks like to me. Levoit. Anyway, let me know if I'm right, let me know if I'm wrong. Either way, but yeah, just try and use the genuine filters for that, and then it makes it sure it works for longer. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. So if you've got any questions, just drop them down below in the comments, and maybe I'll do a full video to answer those questions. Maybe I'll do a more of a review once I've used it for a few weeks or months. Okay, so that concludes this video. I will try and follow up with a more of a review once I've used it for a few weeks or months. So if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you in that next video, trying to address them all, or just let you know in the comments below this video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you are, so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Give me a thumbs up, it'll help spread this to more people. Thanks again for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed. We've just smashed the 1,000 subscriber barrier, so thank you so much for that. And see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.